Kasi you give yourself to your husband or you give yourself to your wife. Sinusunod mo kasi mas mahalaga siya kaysa sa mas mahalaga ang gusto mo. And that's what love is. At yun ang maganda sa obedience. Kaya nga ang mag-asawa o mag-jowa na walang pagsunod sa isa't isa, laging nag-aaway, laging nagtatalo. Ako sundin mo. Ayaw mo naman sumunod. Hindi, ito gusto ko. Diba? Kaya galing ni Jesus eh. The act of love that He needs is obedience. So that's the question. Are we going to obey God? If there is one thing that we could show how much we love God, it's none other than through obedience. Because in obedience, we become selfless. Amen.
Amen.
Please all stand.